Hey guys! Welcome to my vlog! Or to Manang Inday and Friends vlog! Let's start it! Yes!
So now we already got the x, so we must substitute the x to
equals x plus y. So we have the product 81.
video. We'll show you how to solve optimization problem in calculus.
Optimization problems are essentially problems of finding the absolute maximum or minimum of a function, which can be solved through these following steps.
First, set up the constraints. Constraints is a quantity that is free regardless of its solution.
Using these constraints, solve for one variable in terms of another.
Set up the optimization problem.
Derive the obtained equation.
Set the derivatives to 0.
Solve for the unknown.
And lastly, find the other unknown using the constraint. To further understand those steps, here is the first problem. Find two positive numbers whose product is 81 and whose sum is a minimum. Typically, for these types of problems, you need to write two equations. So the product, which is p equals to x times y, where x and y are the two positive numbers, and the other, which is the sum of x plus y, or s equals x plus y. So the two equations. This equation has two variables. This is known as the constraint, while this one, which has three variables, is known as the optimization equation. Solve y in terms of x. So divide both sides by x, then cancel. Y is equals to 81 over x. The optimization problem replace y with 81 over x, so you can get s in terms of x. Only so we have x plus 81 over x. Now we need to take the first derivatives of the function, but first we're going to rewrite the function with x plus 81x raised to the negative. Now let's use the power rule. The derivative of x is 1. The derivative of x to the minus 1 is negative x to the negative 2. And now to rewrite the expression, we have 1 minus 81 over x squared, and let's set this equal to 0. So I'm going to take this term, move it to the side, so 1 is equal to 81 over x squared, and then cross multiply. So we have x squared is equals to 81. So now let's take the square root of both sides. So the square root of 81 is 9.
We already got the x, so we must substitute the x to find the y. So y is equals to 81 over x, and y is equals to 81 over 9. So now y is equals to, for the minimum sum of two positive numbers, we substitute the x and the y, which are 9 and 9, to get the sum, which is 18. That's all for today.
Thank you for watching. Bye!
See you in my next vlog!
Bye!
Run again! Run!
The constraints. Constraints is a quantity. Constraints is a quantity that is free regardless of the